If you camp a lot, or you're a backpacker, or you're just an outdoor person, the chances are that you will use your pocket knife a lot. Regardless of the type or quality of knife that you own, this frequent use will always leave it dull. But with a good pocket knife sharpener, you can get back the sharp edge in no time. A pocket knife sharpener ensures that your knives are always sharp when you need them, but the biggest challenge that you're likely to face is picking the right one from the many options. If you know the different knife sharpeners types and the important factors to consider when making your pick, you should have no trouble finding the right one for you. The Triangle Sharp Maker is the priciest item in this video. The Sharp Maker is a set of high quality ceramic and grit, fine and medium stones that will help you keep your pocket knives and other tools like fish hooks, scissors and punchers sharp. The 2 aluminium ceramic stones on this set can sharpen both flat and plain edges. All of the components that make this sharpener will snap into the ABS plastic case that forms the base to make storage and transportation easy. Also, the base is drilled to make it possible to fit it on a countertop permanently. The AlphaTech is the easiest knife to use in this video, and it is an excellent choice for a variety of sharpening applications. This pocket knife sharpener features some crossed carbide blades that provide quick edge setting and crossed ceramic rods for a razor sharp finish. Also, the sharpener has a non-skid base for stable sharpening. This sharpener is also very convenient to carry and store, since you can hang it on your backpack, carry it in your pocket, or place it in your toolbox or kitchen. The coarse ceramic oval rod by Victorinox is perfect for medium sharpening, but what makes it one of the best pocket knife sharpeners is that it is easy to carry in your pocket and also very concealable. Apart from the ceramic rod, it also features a V-style pull-through sharpener that is easy to use, even for someone without prior sharpening experience. And cleaning and maintaining this sharpener is easy, since you only need a little warm water and nylon scrub pad. Also, this sharpener has a drainage hole to ensure that it dries out well, and the company backs it with a lifetime guarantee. SharpAl is a handy knife sharpener when it comes to restoring the edge on straight-edged knives, serrated tools, gut hooks and fish hooks. It features tungsten carbide blades, which helps to speed up the sharpening, ceramic blades for owning, and for a razor sharp finish, a 400 grit diamond rod for serrations. Apart from the pocket knife sharpener basics, this SharpAl also comes with a fire starter and emergency whistle to make it very helpful when outdoors. And the best thing is that the fire starter functions well, and the whistle is also loud enough. The compact size makes this sharpener easy to carry, since it will not add any significant weight to your outdoor gear, while the safety orange colour makes it easy to spot. The Lansky is an easy to use pocket knife sharpener that will not require a lot of experience. It is a diamond tapered rod that is longer than what you would get from similar sharpeners, and it will make it easy and fast for you to maintain and recondition your serrated tools. With the sharpener, you also get the standard tungsten carbide and ceramic V sharpeners set at 40 degrees for your pocket knives and other tools with a flat cutting surface. But this Lansky also includes a serrated ceramic knife sharpener that can get inside the smallest serrations. Lansky makes this pocket knife sharpener with an all-metal construction for extra durability and with a small lanyard hole. Smith's PP1 is the lightest pocket knife sharpener in this video, and it only weighs about 0.3 ounces, but it still performs very well despite the small profile and lightweight. The sharpener features some carbide blades that ensure you get a sharp edge, and a ceramic stone for a razor sharp finish. This sharpener will also cater for pocket knives with serrated edges, since it also comes with a pull-out diamond coated rod for this, and Smith presets the sharpening angles, so you only need to insert the knife and push it in and out till you get the desired sharpness. For even more convenience, this pocket knife sharpener has a molded grip for your thumb, finger and a small lanyard hole. The BladesTech pocket knife sharpener is the most convenient and portable item in this video. The pen shape and lightweight, 1.4 ounces, mean that you can easily slip it into a pocket when going for your outdoor excursions, making it the best portable knife sharpener in this video. But apart from the convenient carrying, It is also useful when sharpening almost any knife type and many other tools. This diamond coated rod sharpener features a flat edge that you can use for standard surfaces such as sharpening your pocket knives and the kitchen knives, and serrated edges that you can use for serrated blades. And also this 3-in-1 sharpener has a groove edge that you can use to maintain an edge on your hook items. The sleek aluminium handle combines with the diamond rod to give the sharpener an ability to own both outdoor and indoor tools, but they also make it very durable, and the company backs it with a lifetime warranty. With the many pocket knife sharpener options out there, things can be a little overwhelming when it comes to making your pick. And although this pocket knife sharpener video will help to make things easier for you, it is important to understand and consider when buying one, so as to be confident in making the right decision. And I hope that this video has helped you do that. I hope it's helped you pick the right pocket knife sharpener for you. If you'd like information on each of these models that I've talked about, please head over to our blog, thewoodworkingtoolkit.com, where you can find information on each one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you.